Hi, welcome to Harley Classics. Sun shining, and today I have got a fantastic little car to show you. Those who follow us on the channel might have seen this a couple of years ago because I sold it a couple of years ago to a lovely chap down in Grimsby. He was well pleased with the car. Only used it for about 500 miles and it was kept garaged, and you can see the condition he's kept it in. It's absolutely pristine. He's done a few little things to it. He's put some new tyres on it, and he's had the carburetor set up, and apart from that he's just enjoyed it. So I'll show you around the car quickly. Starting at the front, obviously the chrome's in superb condition. As I mentioned before, wheels and tyres, there you go, speak for themselves. New tyres, the wheels were reconditioned when we sold it. The paintwork, the actual body in Glacier White is in really good condition. Every car has the odd chip or blemish. I'm finding it hard to find one on this, but I'm sure if you looked hard enough you'd find it. The hood, I'd like to say a brand new hood, probably was a few years ago, but still looks in great condition. Pop into the interior there. It has had a new interior fitted, and the builds are there for it. New seats, carpets, in great condition, absolutely fantastic. Again, moving around the back of the car, in the hood there, the screen's nice and clear. Chrome on the back bumpers is good. Move to the boot. There's the boot. Underneath the car's really solid. It has had some welding done in the past, but they've been good, decent patches that have been put on or panels replaced. It's not like a patchwork quilt underneath. It's been done properly. It's been clear wax oiled, so whoever wants to come and see the car, we can put it on a ramp and you can have a look under the car, because it's amazing how many people buy cars and don't look underneath them. It's crazy really, especially for classic cars. The other side, well, it's pretty much the same. Again, the bodywork's in fantastic condition. Wheel arches are lovely and crisp. The chrome's nice. I'm finding it hard to pick a fault with this car. Engine bay, well, I won't pick a fault under here because I know how good this engine bay is. There you go, there's the engine bay. That great little 1275 on the twin carbs. The only thing the chaps had done, like I say, is tyres. He had the carb set up, and I think he had a couple of suspension bushes. But there is some bills for odds and sods along the way. This car comes with a massive file of bills. I can't exactly remember what the total up to, but I think it's probably nearly as much as what we've got the car up for sale. So somebody will be getting a car free if you put the bills against it. But there you go, that's what happens with classic cars. So if you like this video or any of the videos we do, please like and subscribe on the YouTube channel. Follow us on all the other social medias that we're on. If you're interested in a car, send us a message and we'll send you some more videos or pictures. And remember, we can always bring the car to you. It's £1,000 deposit. We bring the car. If it's what you want, the £1,000 comes off the price of the car. If it's not what you want, we put the car back on the truck and we're away. So there you have it, the MG Midget. Bye bye now.